So in this video, I'm going to compare the free version versus the pro version of Elementor and show you why I believe you should get the pro version, the additional features that it allows for you, and then how to get the pro version if you desire to. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to page settings and do some work on the Elementor canvas. And I'm not actually trying to build a page with this example right now. I'm just going to show you the features. So there's no specific layout. I just literally want to show you what the features look like. Okay, so here we go. This right here is a free section. These are pro elements. So you get template, post, portfolio, slides, login, animated headline, all these different things, price list, flipbox. So you can see everything in this area, countdown, share buttons, all this stuff right here is on the pro version. Then go down here. These are general elements. These are included. But beyond these additional features right here, another benefit you have with the pro version is when you click right here, click add template, you now can access Elementor's pre-designed templates that you can just insert into your website, and this can save you a lot of time with design. So if you desire to have one of these templates for your website, simply all you must do is figure out which one you want. And you can see all the ones that say pro are the ones that you must have a pro account to use. So having access to these pre-made templates will save you a lot of time versus what we just did when we just took the time to build a landing page from scratch. This can save you a lot of time by just being able to find one of their pre-made templates and just simply insert it into your page. So for example, let's say we want this one right here, or let's grab the one above it. Let's go right here. So we want this one right here. We just click insert, and then takes a minute to load. And then here we go. It inserts the whole template right into the website. Look at this. Nice, clean looking template for your website. Nice, clean landing page. All you do now is go in and enter your personal information. So change out all their pre-designed information and place it with relevant information for your website or whatever you are achieving. And so, like I said, this is only an option for those who upgrade to the pro version. And so it's very much so worth it to me, in my opinion, to upgrade to the pro version. Very inexpensive as well. So you can see this is a menu. This will be our menu price table. And if you click it, you can see what you're editing right there. So this is what the price table looks like. You come up here. This is a price list. So if you're building a website for a restaurant, this would be one of the features you would want to have. And so this is just a small example of what you can do with the pro version, along with all these different pro features, which you'll be learning more about as you experiment more with WordPress and Elementor. So to get the Elementor Pro, you have two options. Option number one is go directly to Elementor and come over here and go to pricing. And you can order it directly from them. They'll send you the zip file, and then you just simply install it on your WordPress website. And wait for this to load. I'll show you the price. And so you can see right here, $49 for one site, $99 for 3 sites, and $199 for unlimited sites. And do want to mention, I'm not affiliated with Elementor. I make no commission from you purchasing from them. I just enjoy the product. So I do recommend it, but the other option I recommend, which will save you a lot of money, is going to Fiverr. And for $5, you can now have the plugin installed versus paying $50. So that's a huge, huge savings. And I have done both. So originally when I first got the plugin, the pro version, I paid for it off of their site. But then after coming across it on Fiverr, I found out that I can have it installed for $5 due to this. Is because the person selling on Fiverr has already purchased the unlimited sites right here. He's already purchased this. He's taken this fee for all of us, and now he has the ability to install it in unlimited sites. So the benefit for you and I is now he resells basically the pro plugin at $5. So we don't have to pay $50. We now can just pay $5 to have it installed on our website. So I highly recommend, if you want the plugin, that you save a lot of money and come over to Fiverr. I will leave the link for this in the resource section of this video, and you'll be able to click straight to that link and utilize this guy and his service. And like I said, I've utilized him. Very efficient. He's very fast. Gets it done, and the product is as advertised. So it's the exact plugin. It's not a hacked version. You get all the features that you would get as if you bought it directly through Elementor's website. So I highly recommend you do that to save money, and also now you have the Pro plugin for $5. So now you can start building more and more professional websites. Increase your skill set utilizing the Pro version. So that is how you get the Pro version, and this is why I think you should have it, because it allows for a lot more features for your website and allows more customization. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.